Hercules, Hercules. Actually, that was their power thing.
Huh? Stuck?
Mud is slipping out of my hands.
Help! Help me! Yeah, that'd be good. Beautiful.
Oh no, I did it the wrong way.
No, you're good.
Psych.
I lied.
I got you.
Should only be minor cutting.
My hands cut.
Okay. Okay, if this is that, and that is this, and this ain't that, you. We're going to say, for the sake of argument, that that is 9.5 inches. Okay. Now inside, that will be an 11.
You digging for gold?
Oh yes, baby, yes. We could do that, couldn't we? Yeah, just pull that vac truck and then go nose up with 180 it, tuck it in, clean it up, and then
The Pecorino Romano.
ooh,
Yummy cheese.
ooh, yummy.
Yummy queso.
Go.